I would film a clothing haul for you. I have been doing so much shopping in the last few weeks, and I'm going to LA next week, so I got a bunch of clothes for that. I got a lot of stuff, you know, for lounging while I'm doing school and stuff like that, because I'm an online student. But it's kind of like back to school slash going on a trip haul. So I thought I would show you guys what I got, because I have seriously picked up a ridiculous amount of things. Literally bags, shoes, dresses, rompers, shirts, shorts, all sorts of stuff. So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and if you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. But I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I got at Forever 21 because they picked up a few things, and I'm gonna start with these. This is a pair of those bike shorts that are super popular. They're like not as long as some of the other ones that I've seen, but I really like these a lot, and they're pretty high-waisted, which I also like, and they're made with like workout material, which is fantastic. They were like $12, and the side has like a cute little mesh cutout, which I just think is so adorable, and I really love these. I was really iffy on if I would like them and like think that they looked good on me, but I bought them and I ended up loving them, and they were only $12 again, which is so fantastic. So I just got a pair of those. And then I also got this t-shirt because I thought it was just really cute, and this is something easy that I could throw on with leggings or those shorts or like denim shorts, and it's really cute, and it has Dua Lipa, which I love her. Okay, moving on, I got two things from a store called The Impeccable Pig. It's a boutique. They only have them in the South, but there's a website online, so if you guys want to check it out, I'm sure that they have both of these dresses online. So this very first one is so cute. It's so 90s. It totally reminds me of like, I don't know, like My Date with the President's Daughter kind of vibes, and I just am obsessed with how it drapes. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna wear this while I'm in LA, I think, and I just love the color, and I think it's so cute and pretty and really unique. I don't have a slip dress like this, so I thought it could be something that would be great to add to my closet. And then I also got this dress from them, and you guys might have seen this on my Instagram because I posted a picture in it the day that I bought it, but I'm obsessed with this. It's so freaking cute, and it's such a good color, and I'm like literally obsessed with this. For fall, this is gonna be incredible. And then I got a romper from a store called Pattaya. They had this really, really cute yellow romper, and I got it in a medium. It's so pretty. It's literally completely lace, and you don't have to wear a bra with it, which I love. And I just think it's so pretty. It has such a deep V, and I'm gonna wear this again while I'm in LA for a dinner with Derma E. Okay, and then I got a few things from Brandy Melville because I love Brandy so much, and they just have the best crop tops. So I did get this crop top that I'm wearing today from there, and it's just white, and it has like cute little white buttons right here, and I am obsessed with it. You can wear like a normal bra with it, so your like boobs and everything, it just looks really nice, and I think you could like, again, wear it out or just like casually, like I'm wearing denim shorts today, or like you could pair it with joggers, you could pair it with all sorts of stuff. It's a good basic to have. So I got the white one, and then I also got one in black that's pretty much the same, but the front just has like a V instead of the buttons with the V, but it's like basically the same top but in black. And then lastly at Brandy, I also got this sweatshirt. I thought this was so cute. It's like a cropped hoodie, and it says like fun in the sun, and it has like a little logo with Malibu. And I just thought this was so freaking cute, and I might wear this on the plane to LA because it's kind of cold in LA at night, so I think it'd be good to have like a little sweatshirt to put on. But I'm so excited. I thought this was literally adorable. And then on the sleeve, it also says Malibu. And I don't know, I just loved it. And then sticking with the same theme of like comfy clothes, I also bought a pair of joggers at Rybak, and these were on sale, and I was so happy because they were like less than $20, and they're originally like $70 or something. And they're just this really pretty like blush pink joggers, and they're a little bit thicker, which will be nice for when it starts getting a little cooler, and they're tapered at the ankle, and then they just say like Rybak on them, like right here. But I just thought they were really cute and a good basic to have, and I wear joggers, like I kid you not, like at least 4 times a week at least. So again, just another good investment piece for me. They're my favorite thing ever. Like if I had to go to actual class, I'd probably wear this every single time, and I wear these on the way to work, I wear them when I'm at home, I wear them literally everywhere. And if you pair a pair of joggers with like a tube top or a crop top, you literally look like you kind of tried, and like you're trying to be like sporty but you're comfortable, which is like my go-to look. And then I also went to Express and got a few things. I really actually love Express, but I've never shopped for jeans there, but I did this time, and I think that I love these. I got them in an 8 because they're like the legging version, so they're a little tighter than their normal pants, but normally I would wear a 6. But they're so cute. These are the ultimate stretch cropped legging, and they're all high-waisted, the 2 pair that I got. So I got this light pair that has a bunch of rips, and I thought it was just really, really cute. These are so comfortable, and the length is perfect. I'm like 5'4", 5'5", and they're the cropped legging again, and they hit so perfectly. Like they're not dragging on the ground. I won't have to roll them up. They're like the perfect length for me, which usually all of my jeans are too long. And then I also got pretty much the same, I think it's the exact same denim, but in a different color. This is the cropped legging. Again, it's the high rise, but I thought it would be good to have a light pair and a dark pair, and I'm literally gonna get rid of like pretty much all of my jeans except for my black ones. So again, just a good staple piece to have for school and any other time of the year. Okay, and then also at Express, I got a really cute bodysuit. It's just gray, and then the top is like crisscross, and I just thought it was cute. Just a normal bodysuit. It's ribbed, it's really soft, and yeah, thought it was cute. And then now I'm gonna move on to like accessories, shoes, and stuff. So I just recently also got this really cute leopard print belt, and I got this from Express as well, and I thought it was literally so adorable. Like, I don't have a belt like this. Literally in love with it. I love cheetah print or snake skin or like any animal print. I just think it's so much fun. And then I also got 2 different bags from 2 different places. So the first one is from the Impeccable Pig as well, and it's so cute. It's just like this really pretty fringe bag, and it has like a little gold chain with the black on the top on the strap, and I'm obsessed with it. I didn't have any like small bags to take with me when I go out, or like literally just like if I don't want to carry my big purse around. So I got this black one, and I just thought it was so fun, and I'm literally obsessed with the fringe. Like, I've wanted a bag like this for so long, and I've never owned one, so I'm really, really excited about that. And then I got another bag, and this is like one of those bags that has like the belt, so you could put it like on your waist or like on your hips like as an actual belt, but it's so cute. It's like just a little cute clutch, kind of like the, I think Gucci has these now, but I just thought it would be such a look, and I have like a complete outfit in mind with this and the teal dress and like a pair of shoes that I have that would just be so cute. So I'm thinking about wearing that when I go to LA all together, but I thought this one was really cute, and it was like 10 bucks. And then I also recently bought like a bunch of shoes, so I'm gonna show you guys those. I got this first pair again from Agassi. These were on sale for like $12, which I thought they're really cute. They're just super tall platform sandals, and I thought, again, these are like a good staple to have. I don't have any platform sandals, so I really liked these, and I thought they were just really, really cute. And then I also really wanted a pair of nude heels because I don't have any. And I'm someone who likes to wear heels fairly often. So for me, this is a great staple to have in my closet because they are nude and they can match so many things. So I just got this like really cute pair of nude heels, and it has like the little ankle strap. And I just thought that was so adorable, and I've never had a pair of nude heels. And then lastly, for these shoes that I bought, I got these adorable white booties. I think these are so cute. These are just white sock booties, and they have a kitten heel, which I also don't own a lot of stuff with kitten heels, so I thought that was fun. But look how cute these are. These are so retro, so unique. I got them at Forever 20. They were like 40 bucks, I think, and these ones are really comfortable, so I just love these. I'm so excited to wear them and style them, and I just think they're gonna make some of my outfits look sick. So I'm excited about this. Watch out on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, you should, because you'll get to see all of these clothes styled, and I'm just really excited to create some fun outfits. They're so wild, and I love them. So that's it for my clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Again, if you're new here, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I've had a lot of fun shopping lately. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.